Basically, a lot of this stuff right here, as you can see, is pretty bland, man. You know, a lot of this stuff is bland. Some stuff is really just based off of stocks. You got your crypto information, your option trade information, your educational videos. There's nothing in there. Peep. There's nothing in there. I don't know why this is right here. This don't make sense. So what the business is, YouTube, it's your boy Crazy Man T, man. You know how I do, man. When I come through, man, I'm about to put you down, cuz. Yeah. But it ain't all good as gravy, man. Listen, check it out, man. On this video, I'm gonna be telling you everything wrong with MULA membership down below, man. Everything is not always good, but there's some good with the bad. But I'm finna let you know the bad before you get your feet wet, because I've been having a lot of comments in the section below. So this probably gonna be like a big PSA for y'all boys to get a full in-depth knowledge of what you really getting yourself into. This is still a beginner course. Trust me, I'm finna show you this is a beginner's course right here. Check it out. Whoa, make sure you follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down here, right here, somewhere right here, man, to stay in contact with me. That's how I'm really getting a lot of my video topics, because of the community. Y'all interacting with me, so I'm interacting with y'all on the bigger level. So if you got any questions or concerns, any comments, something like that, man, hey, drop by on my social medias, man. Like I said, man, it's just bigger inspiration to keep making more videos, because there's somebody out there probably got the same question for you. And hey, man, you rocking with me, I'm rocking with you, man. Let's get it. YouTube, as you can see from the beginning of the video, man, I'm finna get right into this. You feel me? But hold on. Peep the sub count, man. Y'all got me going crazy, man. Drop a sub for your boy, man. We going crazy out here, man. So look, we gonna pop right at this. First things first, man, I will say, check it out. Before I get to putting any information out there, look, I will say, man, so this was actually earlier today, man. I told him I made a couple videos. I seen he was offering $100 per video or something like that, right? So, hey, I'm trying to, he did connect with me. Holmes is a man of his word, so I sent him the video, right? But we're going to get right into this, man. On basically, a lot of this stuff right here, as you can see, is pretty bland, man. You know, a lot of this stuff is bland. Some stuff is really just based off of stocks. You got your crypto information, your option trade information, your educational videos. There's nothing in there. Peep. There's nothing in there. I don't know why this is right here. This don't make sense. Pre-market. You got some pre-market stuff. You know, you probably got to really watch your videos to understand what pre-market stuff is. I ain't even going to get into all that. You got questions, people asking through the group chat, you know. There's a lot of people in here just having fun. The community in here, I will say, is they kind of rowdy, man. They be in here going crazy, man. You know, they be in here piping up. They will be asking questions. So you do got people on here. They basically just asking, you know, some of the best trading apps, you know, some of the best methods. I tried the book for this, man. I actually didn't get an email. I don't think I got my email back, man. So I don't know if this portion really works. To be honest, I was looking on it. I had to look out for the email and maybe a text message or something. But I'm not sure if this part really worked, man. So, and this is only just one type of, you know, link. And the announcements, he got some announcements in here that date back all the way to whenever, you know, just some stuff about him and everything in the chat. Now, this is my favorite part, but it, you know, it varies depending on what you're here for. Cause really, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, keep it a beam with you, man. Listen, man, check it out. This is really for crypto.
Did you know that
I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. It's really like a crypto type thing. This is for people who really don't want to get a job. They don't want to work. They want to build. Some people want to get their credit right. I will say, based off of the comments, they know they got to work and have some other side gigs to funnel a lot of this stuff. But some of these guys probably just got a lot of money in the crypto and they've been flipping their crypto, or they do stuff like this. This is what is this, Forex? Holmes doing Forex. He flexing his Forex. They basically just talking. I don't know what app this is. Never seen this app before. Yeah, basically stuff like that, you know. So basically, it just, you know, by the time you see this, it's probably already old info, man. So it's just, like I said, it's a flex chat, man. They just showing you like, haha, we get into it, you know, stuff like that. Some people working on their credit, you know. It's just, I don't know, man. Oh, damn, they got the gas. Damn, hold on, fam. Damn, they got the gas. Well, basically, listen, you see what's going on in MULA membership on that end, right? So we're gonna take it to a chat like this. This guy's name is App God, right? So on App God, you might see something like this, right? Where it's actually talking about you get to see a lot of better plays, bro. It's actually mapped out towards day trading. You see what I'm saying? The other situation we was just in with Moolah membership, he was really based upon, y'all see that. Y'all, $38. It was worth, dang, she did that. Hey, that's AAL. Hey, AAL did his thing today, man. But like I said, by the time you see this video, bro, it's a wrap. You dig what I'm saying? So this is really like, you know, they tell you how to chart, you know, stuff like this. They got a watch list, puts. I like puts, bro. Like I said, puts, because when it go up, it got to come back down. And then this is another chat I just got myself into, Wealth Squad. I just peeped up, you know, peep game. It was like $30, so I just got into it. And this guy, man, he got all type of stuff: business, Airbnb, e-commerce, fitness, health. So they get into it. So just look at Moolah membership and know that this is a beginner's course, mainly for crypto and a little bit of stock work once you get to knowing how the motion really work. So if you did like this video, you know, hold on. The video to answering some DMs and some questions real quick that some people were sending me, you know, just check it out, man. So this guy was wondering whether he should start on Robinhood or Webull. So my advice to you on that is you should be Robinhood friendly before you jump on Webull, because it is a little harder to understand if you ain't just too, you know, hip to what's going on in the lingo, because there's a lot of things going on there and there's a lot of different colors and stuff. So I would tell you to focus on Robinhood. You know, that's just kind of my thing. And another guy was telling me, man, check it out. He told me 5 years is too much time to be working. Like, I don't know who gonna lie to you, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Like I say, from 19 to 24, 25G, bro, you supposed to be working, bro. Get your, you know what I mean, skills up. Just like that, man. Get your skill trades up. Get you a spot. Get you a nice whip, 2-seater, you know, put some rims on it. Deck your life out before you want to do anything else to compete with everybody else, G. Make you satisfied. You see what I'm saying? Don't be trying to bum it in a Honda and trying to flip it on the side. G, look, man, handle your business. Get your credit right. You feel me? Stack your bread up, and then you could really play with a sat. You feel me? So it ain't always about how you getting the money, but how you make it count. You know what I mean? Because some people get their money and they don't know what to do with it. Some people get the little money and save it over time, and it become big by the time they need to use it. So you probably in a position where you don't even know what to do with your money for real, but you see everybody else with money and you think you need it. You see what I'm saying? Just check it out, man. I'm just putting you down, man. So listen. That was really it, man. That's the only advice I got. That was really the two main highlights I wanted to touch on at the end of this video, man. If you do appreciate the content I'm putting out for y'all boys, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. You heard me. See what this thing talking about.